What team are you on, Google or Microsoft? Well, I'll tell you, I like them both, and we use the Google Drive and Microsoft 365 in many of the institutions that I work with. And so I need my students to understand how to manage their files and use the files in both platforms. Google Drive is the triangle, familiar with your Gmail account. And then Microsoft 365, students in most educational settings are able to get a free access to Microsoft 365 through their email address at their institution. So Southeast Community College, McLennan Community College, Baylor, UNL, I know all of those institutions do offer Microsoft 365 for those students. What's great about Microsoft 365, once you get that educational access, is you can immediately install the apps onto your computer. If you install the apps onto your computer, you can have the best versions of Excel, Word, PowerPoint, and OneNote, Forms, all the good stuff. Now, the Google Drive has all of its platforms available online. So that if you have a Chromebook, that is the way that you communicate with Google Sheets, Google Docs, etc. In my stat class, I have created an Excel calculator, which must be done in Excel. So if you open it in Google Sheets, it will not work. Some of the students have Chromebooks. And so immediately when they download an Excel file onto their Chromebook, it will open in Google Sheets, and it may give them trouble because Excel is more powerful and it has a lot more functions, and they don't always play nicely together. Let's take a minute to know whether you're in Excel or in Google Sheets. You can see this is the Excel. It has the word Excel. It has these 9 dots here to get you back to your Microsoft 365 if you want. Here is a Google Sheet. It says Sheets Home is right here. You can also notice in the formula bar, it looks different. Excel was first, and it had the little function bar right here, and it's italicized. Google made it a little bit different. Okay, so just know that in my course, you do not want to be in Google Sheets. You want to be in Excel, either the online or desktop version. So in my course, if you grab the statistical inference calculator, this is from the announcement. It's also under your content for Unit 3. You can just click on that. It'll download to your computer. Then you can go to Microsoft 365. If you're just at the home page, you can upload it right here. Just click on Upload, and then just grab that file and then open. And it will open, it'll upload your file, and it actually even opened it right up, and it's ready to go. And it's down here on the one proportion. Now, if I can pull that in, I pulled that into my sheets, and it looked fine for some of them. For the one proportion, it looks very similar. The numbers seem to be working. But if you notice, if you go to the 2 proportion, it does give you some trouble. It has a little bit of trouble with these calculations for the p-values. It doesn't understand how to work those. And then this would be the same for some of the chi-square and other programs. So it is important that you use Excel, either the online or the desktop version, when you are working in my class with the statistical inference calculator I gave you. All right, take care.